Hi everybody, I'm Matteo. In this video I'm gonna share my favorite dessert recipe, the traditional tiramisu. Ingredients: lady fingers, coffee, Italian coffee, cocoa powder, mascarpone, sugar and egg yolks. So I pour the sugar in a bowl and start dividing egg yolk and white. So I'm double boiling the yolks because tiramisu is no bake dessert, so we're not gonna cook in the oven, not gonna bake. So if you afraid of raw eggs and you wanna be safe, it's always better to pasteurize the yolks. In the house it's possible to do it on double boiler, or it's possible to buy already separated and pasteurized yolks. After 3-4 minutes whipping, I add mascarpone cheese. Mascarpone is an Italian sweet cream cheese. It's very fat. We use only for tiramisu. Is the main purpose of mascarpone. So the custard is ready. I lay down some custard on the bottom of the plate, evenly spread, and then I soak ladyfingers in the coffee and start making the layer. So this is Italian coffee. It's just coffee and some sugar. It's very likely to find alcoholic tiramisu, especially in restaurant. Alcohol is an optional. It's okay. It's possible to flavor coffee with marsala or amaretto or grappa. Of course, Italian liqueur it's better, but then you can also give a different flavor with a different alcohol. So first layer, custard, ladyfingers, and then more custard and some cocoa powder, and then I have plenty of custard, so I can make a double layer. Very rich tiramisu. I soak ladyfingers in the coffee very quickly, just a couple of seconds, because I don't want it to be too soggy. Second layer of custard. Very nice, very rich, and that's it. Sprinkle of cocoa powder evenly spread on top, and here it is, my tiramisu, my favorite dessert. Thank you for watching. See you soon on next tutorial.